are you doing? For fuck's sake. Oh, good for you. What the fuck is it with you? What don't you fucking understand? You got any fucking idea about, hey, it's fucking distracting? Give me a fucking answer! Shut the fuck up! Don't shut me up! No! No! You're unbelievable, man. You're unfucking believable. Are you professional or not? Fuck's sake, man, you're amateur. Seriously, man, you and me, we're fucking done, professional. I'm gonna fucking kick your fucking ass.